Hello everyone and welcome back with another exciting video. Today we are headed to Thavhani Mall for a big opening of Atlantic Apara tlale. Guess who's joining us today? Guess what? An award-winning Praise Poet and Apara tlale brand ambassador. I'm talking about Matalane Mokgatla and our African queen Makhadzi. Guys, we're already here at the store now, and the brand Apara tlale, guys, is wow. Guys, I'm talking about the quality. I have to get two woody tops today, I'm telling you. And I can see my Limpopo people are so excited. They are so excited here, and they're supporting by buying brand from the wood, man. Just imagine if we could support our African or South African brands. I'm telling you, we can make it. Our economy is with us, guys. It's in our hands. Do you know what I'm saying? Guys, the queen is in the building. I'm talking about Makhadzi, guys. So she's coming now to the store. As you can see how people are cheering at her. People are so excited, guys, and she's so happy. And I'm so happy, guys, to see my Venda people happy or my Limpopo people happy. Guys, people are just cheering. We love you, Makhadzi. I love you, Makhadzi. Yeah. Guys, this is so beautiful. You can see the entrance of Makhadzi in the store is Atlantic Apara tlale, guys. If tlale, tlale. Let me tell you that, guys, because of this is wow, guys. This is Thavhani Mall in South Africa. It's happening, guys. It's in Limpopo, the fourth store of Atlantic Apara tlale. Guys, this is so beautiful, and I'm so happy. Apara tlale, guys, is our brand, guys. Let's support. Let's go and buy there. I just have that kind of feeling that everything now is changing. We're just changing the mood, guys. You can see how happy are people outside here, and I can't wait for Makhadzi to come here and dance for us, guys. I'm so happy, and let's hear Matalane.
Nakalina kita Matalane Mokgatla mohubedi tegola ditho baratsa go ba go dimo ba go ke patlo go jodi diata ba re phatala na sa sta bana ka jana tshela ja ba sekiri go ere be kolulu and I'm singing he's singing and wanting donde ni gone ya ni toda bone ya ni toda bone ba pe potene ni bone potene ni bone ya ni toda bone
Guys, this is for your own knowledge, ne? Did you know that Atlantic Apara tlale is a proudly South African premium kasi brand founded in 2019 by Hadley Silica? His vision was to explore the best quality clothing which sparked innovation and creativity with a local feel. Guys, we're in the store and it's full packed. Let's go there and support. Guys, thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the ring button to receive notification whenever we add a new content to our channel. We love you so much, South Africa. We love you so much, world. This is your boy V Pride Multimedia.